Today we are going to discuss about the various tests to to evaluate the bactericidal activity of any substance or any disinfectant. There are two tests in the bacteria. There are two type of tests. One for the bactericidal activity measuring, and second for the bacteriostatic activity. Firstly, we will describe only the bactericidal activity. There are two tests in this: Riedel-Walker test and the Chick-Martin test. In this video, we will only describe or discuss about the Riedel-Walker test. Riedel-Walker test is also known as the phenol coefficient test because the reference material or the reference disinfectant used is the phenol coefficient, and it is very effective and widely used bactericidal activity test. Uh, there are three organisms are used in this test. First is the Salmonella typhi, Staphylococcus aureus, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. The result which comes out the phenol coefficient is known as the phenol coefficient. If the phenol coefficient is more than 1, the disinfectant is less effective than phenol. If the phenol coefficient is less than 1, the disinfectant is more effective than the phenol. So according to the test result, it is said to be pass the phenol coefficient test or the Riedel-Walker test. The Riedel-Walker test name is by the scientist. Uh, now we will come to the procedure of the Riedel-Walker test. In this procedure, the different dilution of the test disinfectant and the phenol was prepared, and 5 ml of each dilution is inoculated with 0.5 ml of 24-hour growth culture of the organisms. The organism selection are as in are three types of organisms, mainly Staphylococcus, Salmonella, and one Pseudomonas category. These organisms are used which are pre-cultured for the 24-hour growth cultured, and phenol and different dilutions of phenol 1%, 5%, and 10% is taken, and same concentration of the disinfectant is also taken, and it is taken in the different type of test tubes, different test tubes. All test tubes which having disinfectant plus organisms and phenol plus organisms are placed in a water bath at 17.5 degrees Celsius. Then this is subcultured for each reaction. Mixtures are taken and transferred to 5 ml sterile broth after 2.5, 2.5, 5, 7 and 7.5 and 10 minutes. After that, the subcultures from the different tubes are taken for a fresh culture subculture. Then broth tubes are incubated at the 37 degrees Celsius for 48 to 72 hours and examined for the presence or absence of the growth of bacteria which is inoculated during in the starting. Then the Riedel-Walker coefficient is calculated against the formula for calculation of the Riedel-Walker coefficient: the dilution of the test disinfectant killing in 7.5 minute but not in a 5 minute, divided by the dilution of the standard phenol killing in 7.5 minute but not in the 5 minute, and the result comes 1 or above 1 or the below the 1. According to the result, we will conclude the effectiveness of that disinfectant. Thank you.